Okay, so it's a nice big Carrier 5-ton split unit, and it quit blowing cold. This is a heat pump. It's not gas or anything, it's all electric. It does have the nice Copeland scroll compressor in it, and it was the middle of the night, very hot night. It's a very hot day today, and it's just making a humming noise, but the fan wasn't turning. And it was a pretty loud humming noise. You could hear it inside. It's just hum, but nothing's turning. So I came out here and I held my hand over here where the electric motor is, and you can feel the heat coming off of the motor. Motor's not spinning. I did try the trick where I take my screwdriver and I flick the blades. Sometimes when you flick it like that, which I don't recommend because it could catch that and flick that screwdriver right in your eye. But sometimes it'll make that fan start going if the run capacitor is bad and it's just not starting the motor to spin. But I think it had sat there humming too long, and I don't know if it's burnt the motor or not. But I'm going to put this new run capacitor in there and see if it fixes it, because another sign that the run capacitor is bad, when you get the plate off here and look in there and find the run capacitor, look at the top of the run capacitor right here. They're usually not this obviously bad, but this one is. Look how swollen and rounded the top is. It's looks almost like somebody had, if there were a way to do it, put air in there and just, you know, inflated that thing. But that top is really swollen. If you look here at the replacement capacitor, you can see here, not swollen at all. Very flat on the top. Compare that to this. It also looks like maybe some moisture has gotten down in there onto the top of it. Whew. That was a close call. That was a wasp, hit me right in the face, but it didn't sting me. Thank goodness, because I have to get a shot when I get stung. All right, guys, let me swap all these wires around, replace this, and we'll see if it fixes it. And in case it helps you out in any way, here is the electric wire diagram for this 5-ton Carrier unit. Instead of taking the whole strap loose, I just took the one bolt out of it and bring the capacitor out here where I can get to it better. There is the part number for this particular capacitor. Yours may be different. As a matter of fact, it's probably different because there's a whole lot of different size capacitors for all these different units. Oh crap, the wasp nest is right there. There's one of the wasps now, right behind my head. Hopefully I can complete this without disturbing them. I like to orient these things. Oh, come on, dude. Wow, that was close. Okay, see this one right here, this third one that only has one pin on it? If I orient them the same, then without looking at all these numbers and letters, this is the fan, by the way, with just one. And then I can just swap these one wire at a time over and get them all correct. Okay, they're all swapped over now. I'm going to remount the capacitor. Now that it's in there, I'm going to test drive it and shut it on and see if the fan will work before I put the cover back on. And notice the contactor here looks pretty new, so that's a good sign. Hopefully the motor's not already burned up. Oh, it sounds like it's turning. I can hear it out there. Yeah, look at that. The fan motor's still good. All right, we caught that one just in time. Alright, I'm going to get this cover back on here, and then I'm going to go leave these wasps territory. Whether you're fixing a rental home, a flip home, or your own home, hopefully I'll see you in the next video.